All right, my friends, welcome back to another episode of the Denial of the Day podcast with myself, Taylor Grant, and my claims manager, Chris Barrientes.
Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing today?
Dude, doing great today. Tell us what we're talking about today, my friend.
Well, today we want to kind of talk about some of the professionals that we work with as far as um, we've got some deep-seated referral partners that we've been doing business with for a very, very long time.
Yeah,
And kind of just want to talk about the difference of doing the job yourself versus hiring a professional. So
absolutely. Yeah.
I think it's very,
So,
very important.
absolutely. So, one of the big things that we tell our insured clients is we are a team. And what I mean by
Mhm.
that is the insured public adjuster and a really great contractor can make the claim or break the claim if any of those three aren't cooperating or aren't educated in relation to how insurance claims work and don't know how to play the game with the insurance company. And I say game lightly. They've created the game, they've created the rules. We have to learn how to play within that so we can get the best result for the insured because no matter who we're working with, the contractor, myself, the only reason we're here is because of the insured. So the insureds that have the best success and get the best results for their specific situation, what Chris and I have found is it is because we are a really great team. The insured understands how to navigate the claim with us as we are guiding the ship. They know what's going on, they know how to play along, and then also the same thing for the contractor. The referral partners that we have built these relationships with over years and years and years, the people that we trust the most, are so valuable in this whole interaction transaction with the insurance company.
Yeah, I agree 100%. And, I look back at some of the claims that we've dealt with where clients might have a little bit of background in the general contracting world, or they've been taught something like
Right.
we have had multiple floods and people try to do the work themselves. And then they come back with a spreadsheet of, well, this is what it cost me. And then the insurance company is always going to be coming back, which we see a little bit lower than that. And now you're fighting against the insurance company, not only as the insured, but the one who's doing the work, which is two
Right.
times harder,
Yeah.
way too hard. And
Yeah.
so that's when we get involved. We just helped out a great person where, we were able to increase their claim. She did the work herself. And she's like, I should have just hired you guys from the very beginning.
Right. Right.
So,
And
and
I
then
think
we would have obviously pointed her in the right direction of at least, 3 to 4, referral partners that we worked with in the past that we know and trust that can get this job done, for a fair market value and get the job done right.
exactly in an expedient manner. And the thing is, I bet most people, especially the people that we've worked with, feel that same way, meaning they wish we would have gotten involved sooner because then the burden of navigating the claim and all the other bull crap that goes into it, understanding the policy, deadlines, dates, date of loss. We've talked about that recently, right?
Yep.
And so I'm sure we'll talk about this specific situation in generalities on one of our win your claim Wednesdays. But what I want you to understand is this. I don't know a single insured that after we got involved wish we didn't. They all wish we would have gotten involved at the very beginning. So I want to tell you as an insured or as a contractor that's working with the insured wondering like, should I keep pushing this? Should I keep trying to work this on my own? The answer is no. Get us involved sooner because the sooner you get us involved, the better that we can do for the insured because there's dates and deadlines that we have to hit. And if we miss those or if we're getting real close to those dates and deadlines, we're scrambling. And in the scramble, it's not as much time and information as we would like versus if we got involved, say, 6 months sooner. So, Chris, I'll give you the last word, my friend.
No, I just want to say that's great points. And again, it's always good to reach out. I mean, obviously everyone has friends or family members that they might trust, and that's great. But if you want to work with the best, 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 we know we've been working with them for a long time as far as general contractors go. So it's always good to reach out to us first. So
Absolutely. Let us know. Contact us as soon as possible. We are public insurance adjusters in Colorado, in Denver, in Northern Colorado, in Colorado Springs. If you have a property insurance claim in Colorado, and you need an educated, well-rounded public adjuster that'll fight for you to get you everything that you are reasonably and legitimately owed, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.
All right, we'll see you, everyone.